Hello, and welcome to this video on boring and milling machines. In this video, we will be discussing how these machines are used to produce high-quality parts using cutting tools such as drills and milling cutters. Let's start with boring machines. Boring machines are used to bore holes in metal materials. They have a rotating spindle on which a tool holder is attached. The tool holder holds the cutting tool, which is used to drill the hole. Boring machines can bore holes in a variety of materials, including steel, aluminum, and titanium. Now, let's talk about milling machines. Milling machines are used to cut and shape metal materials using a cutting tool such as a milling cutter. They have a vertically oriented spindle on which the workpiece is clamped. The workpiece is moved in X, Y, and Z directions to produce the desired shape and size of the part. Milling machines are used in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, and medical. They are particularly useful for producing intricate and complex shapes in metal materials. In conclusion, boring and milling machines are essential tools for producing high-quality parts. They are used in a variety of industries and are capable of producing intricate and complex shapes in metal materials. Thank you for watching this video on boring and milling machines.